All right, everyone, welcome back. You ready to deep dive?
Always ready to dive in. What do we have today?
Today we're looking at journaling.
Oh, interesting.
And, we talk a lot about the benefits of journaling for stress reduction and self-awareness and all that.
Yeah, it can be really helpful for processing your thoughts and emotions.
Exactly. But for this deep dive, we're going a little deeper.
Ooh, I like it. Get a little meta with it.
We're looking at how to use journaling for emotional clarity, but also
There's always a but also.
but also where it might fall short.
Right, because let's face it, journaling isn't a magic bullet.
It's not. So we're going to be pulling from some insightful excerpts that talk about the limitations of journaling.
I'm intrigued. Lay it on me.
Have you ever felt like, you're journaling faithfully, you're getting it all down on paper,
Yeah, been there.
but you're not getting the clarity you hoped for?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I think we've all been there.
So that's what we're going to unpack today.
Let's unpack it.
One of the things that really stood out to me in these excerpts was this idea that journaling can actually keep us stuck. Yeah, stuck in a loop of negative emotions.
Oh, I see what you mean, like dwelling on the same negative thoughts over and over again.
Exactly.
It's like replaying the same sad song on repeat and never hitting the skip button.
You know what?
Oh, yeah, we all have that song.
And the source points out that this happens because journaling.
It's so interesting because journaling is such a powerful tool for reflection,
Yeah.
but it doesn't inherently provide solutions, right? It's like you said, it's not a magic bullet.
Right. It's more like,
taking inventory of your emotional pantry.
ooh, I like that.
You see all the ingredients laid out, what you have to work with.
Right. Yeah, all the emotions that are there.
Exactly. But you don't necessarily have the recipe to cook up something better.
So true. Have you ever experienced this yourself? Like, you're journaling about a frustrating situation, but instead of helping you move on, it just makes you relive that frustration.
Ugh, yeah, totally. It's like you're just marinating in negativity.
Ugh, it's the worst. And the source really
The
emphasizes
source is spot on.
that we need to move beyond just venting in our journals.
Totally. Just getting it out isn't enough.
Right. We need to use that self-awareness from the journaling to analyze why we feel the way we do.
Dig deeper, right?
Yeah, and what we can learn from it.
That's the key takeaway, I think.
So instead of just listing out all the things that are stressing us out,
Right, like a laundry list of complaints.
we should be asking ourselves deeper questions.
Asking why.
Like, why am I feeling this way? Are there any patterns to this? Are there specific triggers that are setting me off?
Yeah, like what's the root cause of this feeling?
And I think that's where the real aha moments come in.
Absolutely, those aha moments are gold.
So essentially, we need to use journaling as a springboard for action.
Love that. A springboard for action.
Not just understanding our emotions, but actually empowering ourselves to make changes.
It's about taking those insights and turning them into something tangible.
Okay, so then how do we do that? How do we actually use journaling as a launchpad?
Well, one thing that's really helped me is incorporating prompts or specific questions into my journaling practice.
Prompts, okay.
Yeah, so like after a frustrating situation, I might ask myself, what need of mine wasn't met in this situation? Or what could I do differently next time?
I like that.
It helps me shift from venting to problem solving.
It's like your journal becomes your own personal coach.
Exactly. It's all about guiding you towards solutions and positive change.
I love that. And I think it's important to remember that there's no one right way to journal.
Totally.
It's all about finding what works best for you.
Some people like to just free write, stream of consciousness style.
Yeah, just let it all flow out.
Others prefer a more structured approach with bullet points and lists.
It's about finding what resonates with you.
Exactly. And don't be afraid to experiment.
Try different things and see what helps you unlock those deeper insights.
Exactly. It's a journey of self-discovery.
So to wrap things up, it's clear that journaling can be an amazing tool,
Absolutely.
but it's not a magic solution on its own.
We've established that.
It's about using it intentionally and thoughtfully.
And being willing to dig a little deeper.
To really understand our emotions and use that knowledge to create positive changes in our lives.
Couldn't have said it better myself. This whole conversation makes me wonder.
What's that?
How might our lives be different if we committed to using journaling not just as a way to vent, but as a way to actively shape our emotional landscape?
That's a powerful thought. It's not just about recording our emotions, but shaping them.
It's about taking control of our emotional well-being.
So to everyone listening, keep exploring, keep reflecting, and keep using that journal to unlock your full potential.
Happy writing, everyone.
Happy writing. All right, everyone.